What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe, check out all the content, check out all the new videos and all that good stuff. So we've got something. It will be a quick review. Billionaire Boys Club. My first time reviewing something from Billionaire Boys Club. The bag actually has information on what is inside. 100% cotton, beige, L, small, arch, logo, crew neck. So we've basically got a beige classic crew neck or sweatshirt from Billionaire Boys Club. Standard, got the logo right there. Got the labels that says Billionaire Boys Club. So I really like this label the way it is with the little plastic, and then the spaceman is of the heart and mind, not the pocket. Then it's got the little backing bit, and then it explains exactly what's on there, same as the bag. So yeah, that's quite cool. Going on to the logo, an actual close-up of the logo. It's just plain white Billionaire Boys Club. On the label itself, it says Billionaire Boys Club, just spelled out long, and then L, made in China. Yep. And then on the back, it's got the spaceman just behind the neck. Everything else just plain beige color. Standard. And then we've got that spaceman helmet logo on one of the cuffs, or just above one of the cuffs. Just to show everyone what the material is like inside. So this is quite a thin material. It's not the thickest. I expected it to be a bit heavier or thicker, but unfortunately it isn't. It's just a thin one. So just quick label in there. It says 100% cotton. This garment is not shrunk and will shrink after wash. This is not a fault. Pause if you want to read the rest. But yeah, nice casual Billionaire Boys Club sweatshirt. You can just wear this on jeans and put a nice quick outfit together. Lightweight, so it's alright for the summertime, or if you want to layer it up and you get hot quickly. I don't really have too much more to say. It's just a plain beige sweatshirt. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, check out all the videos, and take care, my people.